Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcy, and today I am going to be painting. If you didn't already know, I love to paint. I'm a really big crafter. I'm constantly doing DIYs. I'm constantly painting or making artwork or coloring or lettering. I letter a lot, so really big on that. And today I am going to be painting this blank canvas here. It is new. I just got it. It's not even open yet, so I'm gonna have to open it. There's scissors right here. So I'm going to be painting this canvas, and I don't even know what I'm painting it yet. I just know that I want to paint it because I want to put up more artwork on my walls. I have got my paintbrushes here, my big container of paintbrushes. There are a lot in there, mostly from my mother. Shout out mom, thanks for the paintbrushes. She also gave me all of this paint as well, so a lot of different colors in here, some that I haven't used yet. So I'm looking to get into that today. It is going to be a little fun video. I just wanted to do a more creative one since my last couple of ones have been serious, I guess. Not really serious, but just like you're not funny type of video. So anyways, let's just do some arts and crafts because that's what I love to do. I really don't have any clue what to do. I was thinking of maybe a quote, but I want to draw some kind of picture, paint some kind of picture on the background first and then put the quote over it. And I'm not sure if I should make it really specific or if I should do something more abstract, just like colors or like shapes or something, or like splashes of color, and then have the words over it, or if I should do something related to the quote. If I should pick the quote first and then think of the image. I'm going to pull up Pinterest because that's my go-to, let's be honest. Actually have a Pinterest board. That's a good idea. That literally is words to live by, and I think I'm just gonna go on that. And pick one. Ooh, this one says rules are for fools. Or girl, you already have what it takes. You, my love, are golden. Would you like you if you met you? Interesting. A little bit too heavy though. Oh, I like that. You're beautiful, capable, worthy. The energy you put out is the energy you get back. I think I already have that on my wall somewhere. So, I don't know. Maybe I should go on Instagram and look for quotes. Maybe I should do a Timothy Goodman quote. Guys, if you didn't know, I'm low-key obsessed with Timothy Goodman. Ooh, healing is never linear. Yeah, I'm gonna do healing is never linear. Healing is never linear. So again, I'm gonna talk about something serious for a moment. Here we go. Yes, healing is never linear. So mental health is really important to me. I have always been a strong advocate within my friend group, but also I feel like in general for myself, to have a strong mental health, because it's super important, especially in this time that we're in right now, but just in general, having a strong foundation for good mental health, and also having the capacity to know that if your mental health is bad, that it doesn't have to be everything, that you can work through it, that you can still function, but that you do need to take time and energy and effort in working through that section, you know, because it comes and it goes. It's got like an ebb and flow to it. It's like waves, you know, that it comes in, and I feel like we have to let them crash over us like you would an actual wave, and let it move through us almost, and then come out the other side, and brace ourselves and prepare ourselves for the next wave. It's very, you think that you just are on a straight path, it's one line, but it's not. It's so like you're all over the place. It is like scribbles. It's not a straight line. It is never a straight line, and not enough people realize that. They think, okay, I'll get a handle on my emotions and then I'll go to therapy and my therapist will fix me, and it's like, no. I'm not saying that you shouldn't go to therapy. Definitely go to therapy. Therapy is good for everyone. Everyone should go to therapy. I think it would be beneficial to literally every single person on the planet. I want to go to therapy, but I can't afford therapy right now, so I am actively taking steps to try and work through all of the things I feel. It's really just kind of it's a progress. It's practice. It happens over time, and you don't just like poof get rid of it one day. It's gonna be a roller coaster. It's gonna be squiggles. It's not gonna be a straight line, you know. Healing is never linear. There's never one thing that works for one person that's gonna work for everybody, you know. That's what we're doing in this video. That was a super long intro. Sorry about that, but anyways, enough talking. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is pick my colors. I like to decide what my color palette is gonna be before I even get started. So I'm still searching through Pinterest for a background picture. So now that I've decided what my background picture is going to be, it's this picture of drawn eucalyptus plant. Next thing I'm going to do is mix my paints together, and I'm going for this light green background color. It doesn't exactly match the picture that I picked, but I don't have very much green on my walls right now anyways, so I'm hoping to add a different color in there. Then I'm going to start drawing out this eucalyptus plant. I'm not really familiar with drawing plants, and I'm also not very good at it, but I tried my best and I think it came out pretty good. So I'm just gonna keep painting over this plant. It's kind of a light cream color. I mixed white and this beige together to get this color, and it's very opaque, so I'm just gonna keep painting on top of it. Next, I'm going to take my Faber-Castell white marker and do an outline of what I want the lettering to look like for the quote. I'm doing this first in this white marker because I feel like I have more control with the marker than I do with the paintbrush, especially when you're lettering. So I'm doing this first, and then I'm going to go over it with white paint and keep layering on the white paint again until it really pops against the green and it looks very vibrant. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I'm finished with my painting. I did a little branch and the quote that I wanted. I think it came out okay. I added some colored extra texture, I guess the dots. I don't know if I like how they came out. I might blend them in with something else. I don't know. But this is how it came out, and I think I really like it. I think it looks really nice and it's gonna look really cute on my wall. So that is it. That's the whole painting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification, you know you want to, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
So I actually did end up deciding to blend out the green dots that I painted at the end. That was kind of a weird decision. So I ended up blending them out, and then I hung up my finished painting on my wall exactly where I wanted it. And now it is there forever, or until I move.